I am I am starting. Candidates going for IDBI Bank. I am trying to show you the figures of your bank as on 31st December 2024. These are the figures. Quarter 3 results. Please note it. If you want, what I will do, I will copy it and post it in our WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, again, I am posting many things. I'll be posting more than once, twice, and all that. Yeah. So please remember that. Now, boys, we are going to read this one. This is very, very important. See, this question is why it is important is when they ask you, what do you know about IDBA Bank? I told you what are the things you have to tell. After that, you have to know about the awards they have received. You have to know about corporate social responsibility activities they have done. You can get it from the website. And if they still permit you time, you have to tell about their business. So these are the results of IDBI Bank quarter 3. The total business of the bank as on 31st December is 4.84 lakh crore. Total deposits 2.82 lakh crore. Net advances 2.02 lakh crore. Savings bank deposit is 83,080 crore. Superb figure. CASA ratio, that is savings plus current account. This figure is very good. It was 48 in second quarter. It has come down to 46 now, 46.45. IDBI Bank quarterly net profit 1,908 and return on assets for quarter 3 1.99. Return on equity 20.13. GNPA, NNPA is 3.57, 0.18% respectively. GNPA means gross NPA. NNPA means net NPA. Now I should tell you what is NPA. See, first foremost favorite question in bank interviews is what is banking? Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. Finished. Then next question, what are the other services done by banks? Banks rent out lockers for, they give out lockers on rent, they get income. Banks also do bank assurance business, that is canvassing of insurance policies, life insurance and general insurance for companies with whom they have arrangement, and they will get commission on that. Banks also canvass mutual fund products for companies with whom they have arrangement. So they will get commission. So this is the income for the bank. First income is interest on loans. Second income, bank assurance and mutual funds. This is known as para banking activities. Besides this, banks get service charges from savings account, minimum balance, check return charges. Then what else? Debit card charges. Likewise, so many charges they are taking. Also, issue of sending of NEFT, RTGS charges. It differs from bank to bank. Then DD commission. So many charges they get. And apart from that, banks get interest on their investment in government securities. They also get dividends on shares invested by them. So these two are important questions for you. Once that is over, I have already told you banks gets interest on loans. That is the major income. And what happens when during the loan is in operation, when installment or interest is not paid for 90 days from the due date, the account is classified as a NPA, non-performing asset. And once it crosses 90 days, it is classified as no transferring, classified as substandard assets. These loans will continue to be in the books of the bank only, but separate group they will do so that they can follow up those advances closely. So that is substandard advances. Prior to this, there is one more concept known as special mention accounts. What are they? When the installment is pending for 1 to 30 days, it will be classified under SMA 0. When installment or interest is outstanding for more than 30 days to 60 days, it will be classified as SMA 01. When it is outstanding for more than 61 to 90 days, it will be classified as SMA 02. The moment it crosses 90 days, it will be put under substandard asset. And once it is put under substandard assets, there comes a problem. From that time onwards, bank cannot take the interest from that loan as its income. Please listen carefully. From the date it is transferred to substandard assets, that is NPA, bank cannot treat the income on those loans as its income, but keep them in a suspense account. So bank is losing interest. Its income is coming down. Next point, once it has been kept in substandard, bank has to provide. That is, they have to debit their expenditure or reduce from their profits this year 15% if the account is secured at once, 25% if the account is unsecured advance. So they have to provide like this. That is known as provision. And in that regard, IDBI Bank has done very well. They have already provided 99.47% loans. That is, if 100 rupees is NPA, they have already provided 99.47. So further loss will not come for them. So that is it. So I told you about providing. So the total amount of NPA outstanding as on a date is known as gross NPA. Subtract provisions, you will get net NPA. So this is the point you have to remember. There are so many points regarding this NPA. I am not confusing you now because they will tell you after this 90 days to 1 year, it will be in substandard, then it will go to doubtful assets, and after 3 years, it will be transferred to loss assets. There are, and at every stage, the provision has to be increased. So this is the concept of NPA. Briefly, you know it. Thank you.